Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. Uh, Yesterday, US markets rose by 1% post the Fed's rate cut decision. However, the markets over there ended with a quarter percent decline in the end. Asia is up around half a percent this morning. The Fed lowered rates by 50 basis points yesterday and also said that the extent of future rate cuts would depend on economic data. It looks as if in the remaining two meetings in this year, the Fed will cut rates by 25 basis points in each of the meetings. Um, and so we have to keep in mind that lower US rates now leave room for emerging markets like that of India also to cut their policy rates and support growth. Thank you. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. Good morning, everyone. This is Kathy. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap of it, and we are likely to witness some positive momentum during the day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty manages to maintain a closing about 25,300 levels, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Since today we are getting an opening by almost 70 to 80 points on the higher side, we believe that 440, 460 will act as a crucial resistance level. If it surpasses that level, 25,500 levels can be seen in the horizon. Any momentum above that 500 levels will explain the rally towards a new high up to 25,750, so 25,570 and 25,670 levels. Whereas on the downside, it has a very good support at around 25,300 levels, which it has been respecting from the last 2 to 3 trading sessions on the closing basis. Any move below that level will attract some sort of a profit booking, which might take them towards 25,200 to 25,200 levels. The overall view will remain a positive as long as the fish is about 25,300 levels in the closing basis. So hold your long positions with the mentioned stop losses. Coming towards the bank 50. So yesterday we have seen a huge bounce back from almost 52,200 to 52,900 levels, which is on future basis, which is a very positive signal. Now for the today intraday purpose, 53,000 will act as a crucial resistance level about at level 53,000 to 53,400 can be seen, whereas the support is placed at around 52,500, below that level 50,270 can be seen. Coming to the second Nifty, 24,500, 24,670 are the resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 24,200, 24,040 level. Stock specific as of now, BL Kasib looks good. The counter is trading at 104 and higher levels. We believe it has a potential to reach 210, so one can take a long positions. We have already initiated it early buy call, but initiative buy call with a trading stop loss of 101 for a target of 110 rupees on high. From my end, I request you to take the call.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see, majorly the data is still positive, but there are two things that have turned negative. India VIX has moved up 6% yesterday. Still, it is in the positive zone. No need to worry there. It is around that 13.3 odd levels. So, no major worries. Only thing is a lot of call built up seen around the 25,400, 25,500 up to that 25,800 call strikes. That is a slight negative, and we expect Nifty to remain range bound in the next couple of trading sessions, with 25,500 being a small resistance area. It can probably test 25,500 and then see some selling pressure coming in from those levels. So yeah, that is very important now that Nifty crosses about 25,500. That has not been done in quite some time. It has come close but couldn't cross those levels. So yeah, once that is crossed, you can see further momentum up to that 26,000 levels. Support is now placed around 25,300 levels. If it goes below, you can see some selling pressure up to the 25,000 levels. From the stock specific front, we have seen a lot of stocks do well, but banking as a whole seems to be on a good foot. It can probably witness more buying like it has witnessed in the past 10, 12 days. Good short covering action has gone in. Some defensive counters can do well as well, like the pharma counters, which have done reasonably well in the last month or so. We expect granules to see a lot of short covering action. A lot of shorts were built into the system, and some short covering is seen in the later stages in the last trading session. So we expect some more buying to go in granules for the next few days now. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah. NTPC has filed for an IPO of its green energy subsidiary, NTPC Green Energy, with an aim to raise approximately 10,000 crores. So NTPC Green basically focuses on renewable energy projects and hydrogen production. So this will be seen positively for NTPC. On IREDA, the Government of India has approved the dilution of 7% shareholding and to raise up to 4,500 crore via the QIP route. Ion Exchange has secured the contracts worth 161 crores from Adani Power, which is to be delivered over an 18-month period. GTND, there is news that promoter will be selling 11.7% stake via an OFS with an option to sell additional 3.9% stake at a floor price of 1400 per share. The parent company has earlier indicated about this OFS, but the larger discount and size of the offer will put pressure on the price in the near term, but outlook from long-term point of view remains positive. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has received a contract from Carsten Raider, a German company, to deliver additional 4 multipurpose vehicles. This order is valued at $54 million. So positive for GRSE. Thank you.
Good morning. Lemon Tree Hotels has signed a license agreement for a property located at Andhra Pradesh under Keys Light, which is an economy brand. This property will be managed by Carnation Hotels, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Lemon Tree. The hotel is expected to open in FY26, which will have 44 rooms, and this is the fifth agreement that they have signed in this month. Thank you.
Good morning. TCS has signed a deal with McDonald's, a Philippines master franchisee holder, wherein it would be modernizing and digitizing its 760 plus restaurants across the country. So this is a 2-year project, and size of the deal is not known. And this news came during the market hours yesterday. However, the stock had corrected sharply yesterday. One can buy the stock for long-term good returns. Secondly, Nazara Technologies has raised up to 900 crores via preferential issue at an issue price set at 954.27 per share. It would be acquiring additional 19.35% stake in its subsidiary Absolute Sport for 145 crores. With this acquisition, the company now holds 91% stake in the company. So that's positive for Nazara. That's it from me. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you for attending.